Welcome to Healthy Eating. Dumplings. Let's start. All-purpose flour maida, 2 cup. Salt, as per taste. Knead the dough with water. Grease it with oil and cover it. Oil, 3 tablespoons. Garlic chopped, 2 tablespoons. Chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon. Sauté them for 1 to 2 minutes. Chopped capsicum, 1.5 cup. Chopped carrot, 2 cup. Chopped cabbage, 2 cup. Mix them well. Black chili powder, 1/5 teaspoons or as per taste. Salt as per taste. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Chili sauce, 2 tablespoons. Vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. Our stuffing is ready. Now make dumplings in this way. Put dumplings in strainer. Now give steam to dumplings for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our dumplings are ready. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Also give feedback through comment section.